try to get this recipe. I'm gonna open it up.
Is it the first one?
Beef and barley soup. Looks like we need these items. Okay, now let's go find them. Okay, so we got some steak braising here.
We got some carrots chopped.
Some carrots getting chopped over there. So you're just gonna braise this for 5 to 7 minutes until it's brown on all sides, and then we're gonna put it in a bowl to the side and put the vegetables in here. So we're just gonna add our vegetables to this pan here. This is 1 small onion and 2 carrots, peeled and chopped. And we're also going to add our mushrooms in here. Cook these until the liquid evaporates, I think it said, and then we're going to add the tomato paste. Okay, so we're back. It's been probably like 5 minutes on these vegetables. We unfortunately did not get quick-cooking barley, so it is cooking here. It's supposed to take 45 minutes, so the timing might be a little bit off. But as soon as this liquid in these vegetables evaporates, we're gonna add the garlic and tomato paste and thyme. Alright, so we got Sophia on the garlic. I just added the thyme and the tomato sauce. We're getting pretty brown in here. Broth here. This is the chicken broth. And then we're also going to add the beef broth in this. Oh, I might have spilled a little. We're adding the soy sauce now. We have 3 teaspoons and...
No, 1 tablespoon and a teaspoon.
Here we go. 4. And so we're also going to add the beef back at this time. And then just going to cook this one for 15 minutes. So this has been simmering for about 15 minutes. The barley has been on for almost a half an hour now. It was supposed to take 45. So I'm just going to put that in here for the last like 15 minutes. And we're back.
Looks exactly like the picture. Always a good sign.
Always a good sign. We're just gonna taste the barley, make sure it's cooked all the way. Oh!
That's tasty.
Oh, that's a big thumbs up.
That's a tasty one.
I'm gonna add some parsley. Mint smells wonderful.
Amazing.
The barley got really big.
Yeah. Note to self, barley will get huge. Just so you know, in the future.
Alright.
The parsley is more just to add green notes, I think. Not even really for a taste. It just,
Notes?
It just looks nice.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So here we have our nice little table. Dishing up this nice soup. Smells amazing.
Looks amazing. Once again, the green notes from the parsley.
Here's those notes. Can't have a soup without some good notes. get some nice wafting going on.
Yes, very nice.
What's the verdict, Soph?
It's very delicious. Don't have much to compare it to. I want to give it maybe like a 3.8 star to
Okay.
a 4.2.
Okay.
You know,
We'll see.
it's solid though.
Definitely a good.
It's hearty. I hearty. You know,
Of course. Good for these cold winter months.
good for the gains, for the bones.
Of course. Always good for the gains. But overall, a success for the first Soup Sunday. Stay tuned for next week. Bye.